Welcome to Bloome Calm Home. Is your living room feeling cluttered or uninspired? Today, we are transforming a chaotic space into a serene Japandi sanctuary. We will use minimalist principles and natural textures to create a home that truly breathes. Let us start this journey now. Japandi is the perfect blend of Japanese functionalism and Scandinavian coziness. It is about finding beauty in imperfection and prioritizing quality over quantity. Before we move any furniture, take a deep breath and visualize a space that feels both grounded and incredibly light. We begin with a neutral base. Think oatmeal, soft grays, and muted earth tones. These colors reflect natural light and create a cohesive backdrop for your furniture. Avoid harsh whites. Instead, choose warm undertones that make the room feel inviting rather than cold or sterile. Minimalism is the heart of Japandi. Remove anything that does not serve a purpose or bring you joy. This is not about having an empty room, but about giving your favorite pieces space to shine. Be ruthless, but mindful as you clear the path for a much more balanced environment today. Texture is vital. Incorporate light woods like oak or bamboo, alongside natural fabrics like linen and wool. These elements bring the outdoors in, fostering a deep connection to nature. Mix smooth surfaces with rougher textures to add visual depth without adding any visual noise. In Japanese design, being closer to the floor creates a sense of stability. Choose low-profile sofas and coffee tables to enhance the ceiling height and create an airy feel. Ensure every piece has clean lines and a functional form that supports your daily lifestyle effortlessly. If you are enjoying this transformation, please subscribe to Bloome Calm Home for more peaceful design tips. Hit the bell icon to never miss a guide on creating your dream sanctuary. Your support helps us grow this community of calm. Now, let us get back to the lighting setup. Lighting sets the mood. Replace harsh overhead fixtures with soft, diffuse sources. Use paper lanterns or floor lamps with warm bulbs to create a gentle glow. Layered lighting allows you to adjust the ambience throughout the day, ensuring the room always feels cozy and calm. Greenery is essential for a Japandi home. Select a few statement plants like a tall fiddle leaf fig or delicate bonsai. These living elements add vibrant color and purify the air. Place them in handmade ceramic pots to reinforce the organic, wabi-sabi aesthetic we are building. While the palette is neutral, subtle contrasts add character. Use matte black accents in hardware or picture frames to ground the space. This Scandi influence provides a modern edge that perfectly complements the Japan elements. Small details make a massive impact on the eye. Add warmth with a large, neutral jute or wool rug. Layering textures underfoot makes the room feel finished. Drape a linen throw over your sofa and add cushions in varying shades of beige. These layers provide the hygge comfort that makes a Japandi room feel like a true home. Choose art that evokes a sense of peace. Large-scale abstract prints or simple line drawings work best. Avoid gallery walls that feel too busy. Instead, let one or two pieces be the focal point. Ensure the frames are simple wood or black metal to maintain the clean, modern look. Every decorative item should feel intentional. A beautiful ceramic base or a wooden tray for your tea set adds beauty without clutter. In Japandi, less is more is the golden rule. Choose items that have a story or a handcrafted feel to add soul to your living room sanctuary. Arrange your furniture to encourage easy movement. Ensure there is plenty of open floor space to allow energy to circulate. A well-planned layout feels intuitive and relaxing. Think about how you move through the room daily and adjust the pieces to support those natural paths. Take a look at the transformation. From a cluttered room to a balanced, Japandi-inspired haven. Notice how the light interacts with the textures and how the neutral palette calms the mind. This is your sanctuary, a place to rest, recharge, and enjoy the beauty of simple living. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your favorite Japandi tip. Don't forget to visit the Bloom Calm Home channel page for the full series on home transformations. See you in the next video for more peaceful living ideas.